Tysons Tiles is a two-phase operation. This week, May 18th to the 24th, I will be with the trolley and some volunteers in 21 different locations. So when someone comes to me at the trolley, they're going to be asked 3 questions about their role in the community, their views on art, a fun fact about themselves, and then all that information is generated into a pin, which has miniatures of the tiles. There are 5 different tile designs, and there are 30 different separate tiles, so there's 6 colors for each design. I will take all that information, and the floor murals design will actually be everyone's pins put together. June 25th to August 3rd, the installation will go live, and you can come see it at the Greensboro Green and also at Tysons West. Fairfax Arts Council has been amazing at connecting me to all the different areas of the community.
The goal of Imagine Art here, Tysons Tiles, is to create awareness about the arts and to enhance placemaking, and also to provide a vision of future enhancements using the arts here in Tysons and for Fairfax County.
I think art has the power to really create community, to be a destination, and to give people pride of where they live and give them ownership too.